Unwelcome guests in the attic. Understanding attic pests. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, attic pests. This is a common term in English, especially in discussions about home maintenance and wildlife. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Attic pests is a compound noun made up of two words, attic and pests. Let's look at each word separately. 1. Attic. This is the space found just below the roof of a house. It's often used for storage and sometimes converted into a living space. 2. Pests. These are animals or insects that are considered annoying or harmful. In the context of homes, pests often cause damage or are simply unwanted due to health concerns. When combined, attic pests specifically refers to those animals or insects that invade and create problems in the attic. Now, let's talk about some common examples of attic pests. 1. Rodents, like mice and rats, which can chew through wires and insulation. 2. Insects, such as bees, wasps, or termites, which can damage wooden structures or be a health hazard. 3. Wildlife, including squirrels, raccoons, or bats, which might seek shelter in attics. Understanding these examples helps in visualizing what attic pests typically refers to. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few example sentences. 1. We heard strange noises last night and discovered we have attic pests. 2. Dealing with attic pests can be challenging without professional help. 3. Our neighbors are looking for solutions to remove attic pests safely. These sentences show how the phrase can be naturally incorporated into everyday English. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of attic pests and how you can use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, it's all about the context. In this case, unwanted guests in a specific part of a house. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with phrases like these.